Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data not working on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Access the Quick Panel. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Panel menu. Here you can quickly toggle important settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. Step 2. Toggle mobile data. Find the mobile data icon, tap it to turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it on again. Now check if your internet is working. If it's fixed, great. If not, let's move to the next step. Step 3. Go to Connections and Settings. Press the Home button or swipe up to return to your home screen. Open the Settings app, then tap Connections. This menu contains all network-related options. Step 4. Turn off Data Saver. Inside the Connections menu, tap Data Usage, then tap Data Saver. If Data Saver is turned on, it might block some apps from using mobile data in the background. Toggle it off. Step 5. Check data limits. Go back to the Data Usage menu and select Billing Cycle and Data Warning. If Set Data Warning or Set Data Limit is enabled, your phone might block data after a certain amount is used. Tap these options and turn them off to remove restrictions. Step 6. Check APN Access Point Name Settings. From Connections, scroll down and select Mobile Networks, then tap Access Point Names, APN. If there's no APN configured or the settings are wrong, your mobile data won't work. Tap the plus icon to add a new APN. Then choose the name option and write the name Internet, and then tap on the APN menu and at the same name type it Internet and confirm it. Once done, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Save. Confirm your choice and fix this issue. Step 7. Reset network settings. If mobile data is still not working, it's time to reset network settings. Go back to the main settings screen, scroll down to General Management, then tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings, confirm your choice, and follow the on-screen instructions. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings to default without deleting your personal files. Step 8. Contact support. If none of the above steps worked, the problem might be with your SIM card, mobile carrier, or phone hardware. Contact your network provider or Samsung customer support for further assistance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.